this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect HY300 Pro to an Android device. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. The HY300 Pro is able to be connected wirelessly to any Android device, so I'm going to teach you how to do it wirelessly, and if that doesn't work, I'm going to show you an alternative method using a cable. So the main way of connecting it is going to be by using Miracast. So power on your HY300, and by navigating through the apps, you should be able to find Miracast. If you don't see Miracast, you can also look on a remote, if you have one, and check to see if you have a button similar to this one, with two squares like this. This is also going to open Miracast. So locate Miracast on your remote or the apps and open it up. When you open up Miracast, you will see instructions. Open the settings menu on your Android mobile or pad. Access the display settings or screen mirroring, and then select the receiver referring to the HY300 projector. So all that you have to do now is to open the easy projection option on your device. Every single device is going to have a different name for this. For example, if you have a Xiaomi device, you might see something like easy projection. If you have something from Samsung, it might be labeled Smart View instead. But regardless of what it is named or titled in your particular smartphone model, look for some form of screen mirroring. Once you select it, it is going to look for available nearby devices, and the HY300 should appear on this list. And then once you select it, everything on your Android's screen is going to be mirrored over. If this does not work or you don't like this approach, maybe because your phone doesn't have a Smart View feature or something along those lines, you will need to use a cable. The main way of doing this is through an HDMI cable. Of course, because most smartphones nowadays don't have an HDMI port, then you will need an adapter. Usually, it is going to be a USB to HDMI adapter, so you plug one end of the adapter into the smartphone, and now it is going to have an HDMI port that you can use with a standard HDMI cable to connect your phone to the projector. So I hope this video helped you. If this video helped you set up your HY300 projector and an Android device, consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. If you subscribe, you can help us from the channel make higher quality videos for you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.